Check it out, friends. This is Levels grass-fed whey protein. On today's video, we're gonna do a taste test. I'm gonna show you how I like to make my protein shakes as healthy as possible for a really great meal replacement or just as a snack. Let's jump into it. Okay, first, a little bit about Levels protein. Obviously, this, again, is one of the healthier versions of whey protein out there. You can see there's no artificial ingredients, no added sugar, and again, as they like to say it, no bogus fillers. This is the 1 pound bag version, but these come in multiple different container sizes. Each serving size has 24 grams of protein. Here's a quick look at the nutrition facts. You can see in this 1 pounder, there's 14 servings, which is 1 scoop. Here's a quick look again at the other nutrition information, 3 carbs, and again, 24 grams of protein. Ingredients look really good. Whey protein concentrate, you got vanilla extract, a few other things here like sea salt and stevia extract, monk fruit, and that's what's gonna give it the sweetener. Check out all these amino acids that are available per serving as well. All right, inside that 1 pound bag, you can get a closer look at the vanilla flavor. So in making my shakes, I like to use my little Nutra Ninja blender, and we're just gonna go ahead and put all of our ingredients into a little mixing container right here. So let's start with a scoop of the whey protein. All right, there's our scoop size. Again, this is inside of the container, so you know exactly how much to use there. Next thing I'm gonna add is a 1/4 cup of oats. I'm also gonna add in just a sprinkle of these organic chia seeds. And then I also like to add a little organic hemp hearts. Then I'm gonna add a handful of organic blueberries, as well as a heaping handful of spinach. We're just gonna stuff that down in there. Then I'm gonna take 3/4 of a cup of almond milk. You can substitute this for water if you wanna reduce the calories. I'll add just a little bit extra water if needed to kind of balance things out. Again, depending on how liquidy you want your shake. Finally, we're just gonna add some ice. And again, that just gives it a nice chill flavor when you're drinking it. All right, let's twist the cap on and we'll give it a blend. All right, all blended up. Definitely you can see all that green from the spinach. Let's give it a taste. Oh yeah. Now again, honest review, I would say it's a little bit light on the flavoring. You're not gonna get an overwhelming punch, but again, that's because they use so many natural ingredients. They don't want to put all that artificial sweeteners and other junk inside of the protein. But overall, I think they've done a really good job. It tastes good. I'm definitely gonna be looking forward to more shakes. So thumbs up from us. Go check them out for yourself. You can purchase them on Amazon. Again, we'll put links in the description box below. Hope that helps make your shopping experience just a little bit easier. If it has, subscribe. We're making a bunch more of these style videos. We'll see you again on the next one.